Today we're back my little variegated dwarf jade that I've been growing for the last couple of years. It's been slow progress, but this is to be expected since it's variegated. But I'm in no rush, so it can take as long as it likes. It has started to get quite bushy, and I've probably said it in every other video about this tree, but I'll need to style it at some point. But for now I've just been letting it grow out and pruning it back every now and again, which is pretty much all that happens in this video too. I haven't repotted in a long time either, but I still don't think it's filled the pot, so it's being left alone again. This is a succulent, so I'm not too worried about the roots. They're never going to end up like a normal tree, so I don't need to worry about repotting them all the time anyway. In June, it's hard to tell here, but it's actually need to prune. A lot of the growth is quite small and tight, which is perfect, but it does need pruned back. These work in the exact same way as the fully green dwarf jades. The more you prune them, the better they get. It is better to prune them more often, rather than let them grow out. But this variegated type just takes longer in between prunes. It probably doesn't look much different here, but all the tips will be pushed back and that will encourage more growth. After this, it was just left alone for the rest of the year, and you'll see it slowly does start to put growth on again, but it is slow. I do keep this under the grow light and it does speed things up, but if you have one of these and just keep it on the windowsill, it can seem like it just does nothing for a very long time. It is a nice little tree. I do like the general shape, even if it is a bit rough, but there's no rush to refine things or even place it in a better pot. So I'll just keep chipping away at things and slowly it'll get a little bit better. In October here you can see some of the shoots are looking a little long, and while I could prune it here, it's too close to winter, so I'll just leave it alone for now. Even if it's under the grow light and it doesn't get a real winter, it does slow down a lot, which means it's even slower than its usual self. So I can just wait till springtime and then prune it. It's looking nice and healthy and full in December. It may be slow, but it's happy. And it's done well so far, it's slowly getting there. Don't think there's any change in January, but that's fine. It's still looking happy enough. There's definitely a camera change angle in February, but you can see it's looking nice and bushy. It really needs that pruning soon, but it won't be just yet. And maybe I'll go pretty hard and thin it out quite a lot. Well, we'll see. It does look pretty dense there. Anyway, here it is now, just waiting for that pruning. And hopefully now spring is pretty much here, I'll start to grow again soon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.